Hi there, welcome to the Workface. This is an unboxing. These here are open ear headphones. OWS cycling, they're great. They're the best headphones I've ever bought, but I wanted some more, so I spent 15 big ones, a little bit more on Amazon to buy these. They're called OWS Hi-Fi. You've probably heard of OWS Hi-Fi. OWS they're gonna do. Don't go anywhere, you're watching this, it's got to mean this. I couldn't have said it better myself. Welcome back. Let me tell you a little bit about these bad men. I'm going to put the Wishams on. Right, OWS, which stands for Open Ear, that's the O, wireless stereo headphones. Question. OWS, it's not really a question, versus true wireless headphone. OWS Open Ear offers comfortable wear, ideal for all day use with enhanced hearing protection, especially for those with ear canals and stuff. Right, okay, let's get on to it. What do you get in the box? What do you get in this box? I've already opened the box, so you don't have to. Bang! You open it up, you get plastic gubbins. You get a USB-C, which is what you can use to charge this. You don't have to yawn, because I can do that for you. Let me tell you a bit, and show you what's in here. Look at this. Wow, look at that. If I open it, it'll open, yeah? See that? Nothing happened. What you've got here, folks, you've got a charger unit, okay? This here will tell you things on there. Can you see that flash in there? When you put the things back in, you get all this gubbins going on. Of course, it's going to try and connect to these right now. Okay, so how do they work? Let's take the Wishams off and show you. Look at that, funky design. How is that? You've got a little micro speaker there that's going to fire that air right in that logo, and it's going to come out that side there, right? Not quite, but you know what I'm saying. They look like, I think you'll agree, they look amazing, okay? Let's chuck the other one in. Now all of a sudden, I've got two great fitting earphones, one on each ear, one there, one there. Not only they look great, they ain't coming off, okay? They ain't coming off. I don't think they come off. I think if you went cycling, jogging or anything, these wouldn't really come off. They have got great sound quality. I've tested that. So you don't have to, and you've got this box gubbins here, which you can charge up, and that's how you charge. So let me tell you a little bit about the OWS model VG336, a very good 336. Communication distance 10 meters. Wireless version BT 5.3. Playtime around 8 hours. Charge time of the base unit, which is 250 milliamp hour batteries, approximately 1 to 2 hours. Earphone capacity 50 milliamp hours. Milliamp hours, yeah, something like that. Standby time 30 days. Input touch control. You've got touch controls on these bad men, okay? What you can do is you basically double tap or triple tap or single tap on one or the other ear to change functionality as per that. That's how you do it, folks. If you want to pause the video to sort of get that in case you lose your gubbins, that's how you do it. So, how do I rate them? I've used them for 5 minutes. They've got great sound. I think they look a bit saucy. That's it, folks. That concludes my OWS Hi-Fi. How's about that then? I'm not going to do any G's. This is the only video for headphones where you do see Jimmy Savile impersonations, which is highly inappropriate. Any of you guys who want to unsubscribe as a result of that, please feel free. That one's going to go in there like that. That one's going to go in there like that. Those are on 79% now and charging. So 79% is the gubbins in here, 79% battery, and now both of these units are charging up. You can put that in your pocket. Don't knock it. That's the OWS. Catch you guys on the ear schmear flip side. I couldn't have said it better myself.